Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to live stream on Facebook. But before we getting started, I wanna let you know guys, if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's go straight into that video. So first of all, open up your any kind of browser, go to facebook.com, and here you can see live video. And if you want to go live from your profile, and the same case will be applied for your Facebook page too. So as you guys can see, we are going to live producer, and here you can see welcome to live producer, a cleaner interface, simple ways to manage your live video through multiple devices, easier access to the tools you're looking for, more to come. So these are the options. So during getting started, you can use your stream key, use your camera, and use paired encoder, but I'm going to select my camera. Now you can see feature highlights, stream health, comment moderation. You can see there are options you can handle here. So it's showing that to allow my camera. So in this, as I selected using my camera, you can see there are lots of virtual camera, and there is also my USB camera, USB 2.0 camera is connected. So here in the corner, bottom corner, that means right bottom corner side, you can see my camera is showing. So if you use your DSLR camera, you can use your camera webcam utility, like so if you want, you can see here my camera is showing here, and you can simply go to live. All right, and if you go to dashboard, there are options. There are so many options, like you can create your poll. Like simply, if I create a poll, like I am streaming a cricket match. If you stream a cricket match, like you can do a question. You can put a question which team you are supporting. All right, so here you can see you can put your two team names, like I'm putting Australia and then England. All right, so this is how you can create poll. All right, so now if you want to edit your poll or something like that, you can simply can manage. So or if you have any kind of question regarding the stream, you can simply ask anything, like do you like this stream. So here you can save. All right, now here you can see graphics option. Graphics are not supported by the camera. You can see stream help, and there are not much more things to show here. So if we go to stream setup, okay, so this was the camera, using camera live stream part. Right now you simply can go live, and you can simply enjoy. Okay, so now let's move to using stream key. All right, so here you can see live stream setup. You can see stream key right here. So you have to copy it, and using stream key, if you want to go to live using OBS or Streamlabs OBS, whatever you say. Now after open this OBS, you have to go to settings, go to stream, and here you have to select Ctrl+A and then paste all the code right here, and you have to apply, and you have to click OK. All right, so there will be completely another particular video on OBS, but I am just showing you a little things about this. So if you want to capture your display, you simply can add your display capture, click on OK. But in case if you don't want to show this, if you just want to show a particular application or games or something like that, you can simply do a window capture. As you can see, I have selected Camtasia. Now you can simply start your stream. All right, so after starting that stream, in the bottom corner of the right side, you can see there is a green option, and as we set that bitrate to the 5000, so it's going 5000. all right, and I have a 20 Mbps internet connection, and it's fine, it's good to go for 5 Mbps stream. So here you can see your output actually. Now if you go to your software, if you do anything on this on the software or games or whatever you say, you can simply if we go to stream, you can simply see it there. Alright, so this is how you actually can see your stream is being set. Alright, so this is the basic thing you can do. Now you simply can put your title and description, you know, and this is how you can go to live. And now there are more options you can use during your streaming. Here you can see, if we go to graphics, you can select any kind of graphics package and you can use them as your lower third. Like you can see I just randomly select something. Okay, so let's see if we set up a lower third, I give it title that test stream. You can simply, this is completely your optional if you want to do it or not. So I'm just showing you in case if you need to do it. So after doing it, you can publish this. Alright, so here you can see, you can select your theme, you can change your selected color scheme. Alright, so if I select this, here you can see things are changed, right? So if you want to unpublish it, you can simply click and things will get done. Alright, so if you want to do publish, so yep, this is how your lower third settings it's getting done. Alright, so you click on next and you can select start over. So alright, so now what you can do is you have to copy that graphics URL. Alright, so after copying this, go to your OBS, add new and select browser source. Alright, in the you can simply keep it a free name, and in the URL option you have to paste that entire URL and you have to click OK. Alright, now you can see your lower third is being showed on the stream. So you can select you can simply just put it in any kind of position you want. I'm just putting it in this position, and you can unpublish it if you don't need, and you simply can publish it. Alright, so this is how you can use your graphics. So now if you go to dashboard, you can see there are options, and you can see stream metrics. My streaming is going good perfectly as I set that stream 5 Mbps and 30 FPS. So this is the basic setup of your live stream, and everything is going pretty much good. So I hope you guys understood how to do it. Okay, now if we take a look on more options, you can see here allow viewers to message you. You can turn this on if you need it. So after setting up this, what you basically need to do is you have to give a title and description, then you have to click on go live. Alright, so as you can see, this page is loading and we have to wait, and as you guys can see, our live stream has started, and here you can see some post details like title and description. If you want to change it, you can change. Alright, now you can simply go to your profile, and if you want to check that everything is going on right or not, and here you can see our live has started and it's going fine and perfectly. So as we are doing 720p resolution stream, so you can see we can select on 720p pixel stream. So Facebook basically support 720p resolution, and yeah, this is how you can do a live stream. Alright, and that's the process of streaming live using OBS, or you can simply, if you use any other streaming app like Streamlabs OBS or XSplit broadcaster or so on. So now what you can say is you simply can save this post if you want, or or if you want to delete this post and return to newsfeed, you also can do this. Or either if you choose to create any kind of clip or like streaming your video from your live stream, you can do it. Let's say you want to trim your video. Alright, so from this option you can trim your video from your live stream. So it will take a few times or a few seconds maybe to complete the trimming process. Alright, so you have to be patient, and as you can see, video successfully trimmed. So if you want to untrim it, you also can do it, like untrimming in process. And let's see how many time it takes. So yep, it's been untrimmed. Right now what you can do is, if you want to create clips from your video, you also can do this. You can select your desired timeline, and yep, it's been processed. And yep, as you can see, clip has been created. If you want to publish it, you can publish from there. So yeah, right now I don't want to do anything. So as I don't want to clip this live stream, I want to delete this video. If you want to keep it, you simply can keep this video. And yeah, this is how pretty much you can do. And right now I want to show you something, just like if you want to use your camera, and if you want to just go live only with your camera, so you can select your camera. Like I am selecting my USB cam. Yep, as you can see, it's live. So I'm giving a title like test, and I am going to go live. Alright guys, so this is how you can go directly live stream via your desktop PC using your camera. Okay, and as you guys can see, it's starting. So yeah, it's started. So right now what you can do, you can go to your profile simply, and then you can check, and as you guys can see, it's showing. Okay, I am moving the camera right now, everything's fine. Now if I go to my profile, you guys can see simply my live has already started, and you guys can check your live stream if this is working properly or not. And of course you have to go to live producer in order to see everything is going fine or not. And as you guys can see, everything is going well, and you can see 720p resolution. Okay guys, I hope you understood how you can do a live stream on Facebook using your camera, or using your stream key, or using your OBS or Streamlab OBS, or whatever your live stream software is. So I hope you guys understood the video. If you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, please feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in another video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.